Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python programming course. In the previous video, we learned what Python is, where it is used, and how to install Python and VS Code. We also wrote our very first Python program. In today's lesson, we are going to learn three fundamental concepts of Python: variables, data types, and input output. These concepts are used in almost every Python program, so understanding them well is very important. Let's get started. So first slide is introduction. Imagine you are filling out an online form. You are enter your name, age, and email address. The computer need a place to store this information while the program is running. In programming, we use variables to store data. Variables are one of the most basic and important concept in any programming language. So slide 2 is learning objectives. So by the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand what variables are, learn the rules for naming variables, identify different Python and data types, accept input from the user, display output on the screen, convert one data type into another. Let's begin the variables. Slide 3. So what is variable? A variable is simply a named container used to store data. Think of it an label box. The label is the variable name and the value inside the box is the data. So name equal to Johan, age equal to 20. Here name stores the text Johan and age stores the number 20. One interesting feature of Python is that you do not need to specify the data type while creating a variable. Python automatically understands the type based on the value assigned. That is called dynamic type, and it's make Python easier to write and understand. So slide 4, variable naming rules. All through you can choose almost any name for a variable. There are some important rules. A variable name must start with a letter or an underscore. It can start with a number. Variable names are case sensitive. This means age and age are considered two different variables. Space are not allowed in variable name. Instead, use an underscore. Always you use meaningful names. Example: Python. Correct is student dash name dash is marks. So incorrect is Python to name my dash name student name. So good variable name make your code easier to understand. So slide 5, Python data types. Now let's talk about data types. A data type tell Python what kind of information is stored inside a variable. Some common data types are integer, int, जैसे age equal to 20, float used for decimal numbers, price equal to 99.99, string used for text, name equal to alias. So boolean represent either true or false. So is dash student equal to true. Python also provides other data types like list, tuple, set, and dictionary, which will learn in upcoming videos. So it is a 6 slide type conversion. Sometimes we need to convert one data type into another. This process is called type conversion. Python provides built-in function for this purpose. So age equal to int 20. Here the string 20 is converted into the integer 20. Similarly, price equal to float in bracket 15.5. Convert a string into a floating point number. You can also convert numbers into string using str function. So that the conversion is useful when we receive user input because the input function always return a string. So slide 7, taking input. Now let's learn how to accept input from the user. Python provides the input function. Example: name equal to input, enter your name. When this program runs, it waits for the user to type something. Whatever the user enters is stored inside the variable name. If you want to take an integer as input, use type conversion. Age equal to int input, enter your age. Here the entered value is converted from the string into an integer. So 8th slide is displaying output. So to display information on the screen, Python use the print function like print name. You can also display multiple values like print age colon dash comma age. A more modern and readable way is using f strings. So Python print f my name is name and I is years old. F strings make your output clear and easier to read. So 9th slide is complete example. Now let's combine everything we have learned. Python equal to name equal to int input enter your name. age equal to int input, enter your age, print f welcome name, print f you are age years old. So suppose the user enters name Alex, age 21. The output will be welcome Alex, you are 21-year old. This example use variables data types input, output and type conversion together in a single program. So last slide is summary. So let's quickly revise today's lesson. We learned that variables are used to store data. So we explored different Python data types such as integer, float, strings, and booleans. We understood the rules for naming variables. We learned how to take input using the input function and display output using the print function. Finally, we learned how to convert one data type into another using function like int, float, str. These concepts form the foundation of the Python programming, and you will use them in almost every program you write. In the next video, we will learn about Python operators including arithmetic, comparison, logical, assignment, identity, membership, and bitwise operators. Thank you for watching this lesson. Keep practicing the examples. I will see you in the next video. Happy coding.